This is a presentation of the Inland Empire Atheists, Agnostics and Humanists.
Today we're gonna make flan, and it's a very delicious dessert. So I'm gonna go ahead and send you the recipe. It's very easy to make. You need 4 cups of milk. In this case, we're gonna use almond milk. And then here's the flan. We got the flan itself, the powder, and the caramel. This is a liquid caramel. So let's get started. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. Two. 3. And 4. Okay, we're gonna bring it to a boil. Okay, once the milk starts bubbling a little bit, it's time to put the flan. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And then we're gonna mix it. Making sure that the flan is completely dissolved. And then I'm gonna wait until it starts to bubble a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it off. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, now I'm gonna put the caramel at the bottom of the little containers. I'm gonna spread it a little bit towards the bottom, just make sure it's evenly coated at the bottom, so everything is there. Okay, looking good. This one too. Once everything is done, we're gonna go ahead and add the flan. We're gonna put the flan into the containers. And then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator until it gets cold. Okay, I just took them out of the refrigerator, they're cold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that they are detached from the walls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, it's fully detached. Gotta let some of the air out from that side.
This was a presentation of the Inland Empire Atheists, Agnostics and Humanists. Please subscribe and hit the bell button for new videos.